Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
Huli Huli beef tri-tip. Mix the pineapple juice, brown sugar, soy sauce, ketchup, minced garlic, minced ginger, Worcestershire sauce, paprika, and apple cider vinegar together. Add to the tri-tip and marinate overnight. Remove meat and season with salt and pepper. Heat barbecue grill on medium-high. Grill, turning meat every 7 to 10 minutes. Do not burn. If the heat is too high, turn it down. Remove meat and let it stand for about 10 minutes before slicing. Serve hot and enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.